I think you are searching about home tool set, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality home tool set? Need free shipping home tool set? Looking for widely usable home tool set? Looking for home tool set having large number of pieces? If the answer is yes, then let's go and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best home tool set. Number 1. WORKPRO 165 pieces home tool set, and the feature is type: hammers, pliers, combination, wrenches, ratchet, sockets, and screwdrivers. Application: household tool set. DIY supplies, electrical. Size: 37 cm into 30 cm into 9 cm. Number of pieces: 165. Let's go for number 2. WORKPRO 183 pieces home tool set, and the feature is type: wrenches, pliers, ratchet, sockets, screwdrivers, and combination. Application: household tool set. Use: most daily use tools include sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, and wrenches. Number of pieces: 183. Size: 51 cm into 26 cm into 25 cm. Let's go for number 3. WORKPRO 145 pieces home tool set, and the feature is type: wrenches, ratchet, sockets, screwdrivers, and combination. Application: household tool set. Model number: W003046A. DIY supplies, electrical. Number of pieces: 145.